Here we're exhibiting interactive video learning. We'd like to introduce you 3 key features, unique features of our solution. Number 1, the vision exchange, which allows instructors to record anything that is thrown, whether it's a whiteboard, your HDMI input, or your snapshots. All of these can be captured, so you're capturing more than regular lecture capturing. Number 2 is the unique way of capturing. It's a network-based capturing. One license will allow you to capture up to 4 full HD videos. So you're saving a lot of cost because you don't have to deploy all of these licenses to all of the classrooms. It's a floating license, so you're saving cost. Number 3 is our interactive way of learning. So as a student, I can view these videos, any of them as I want to, and in any given time, faculties can put in quiz, websites, or files, so the students will be learning more interactively even after class.